In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Slack. This is a great way to keep your team updated without constantly jumping between platforms. Once the integration is set up, Slack can receive automatic notifications from Monday.com, which helps your team stay aligned on new tasks, updates, and project activity in real time. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. After you're signed in, go to the board you want to use for this integration. In this example, we'll use a sales pipeline board, but you should choose whichever board makes the most sense for your workflow. The important thing here is selecting the specific board where you want Slack notifications to come from. Once you're inside the board, look for the Integrate option and click on it. This is where Monday.com lets you connect the board with other tools and services. After the Integrations panel opens, find Slack and select it. You'll then see different automation templates available for Slack. Choose the template that says, "When an item is created, notify in channel." This option is useful because it automatically sends a message to a Slack channel whenever a new item is added to your board. That means your team can instantly know when something new has been created, without needing to manually check Monday.com. There are also other templates available depending on what kind of workflow you want to build. But for this setup, we're using this one. After selecting the template, click Connect. At this point, Monday.com will prompt you to sign in to your Slack workspace. Go ahead and complete the sign-in process using your Slack account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace if you belong to more than one, since the integration will be tied to that workspace. Once you're signed in, click Continue to approve the connection. This gives Monday.com permission to communicate with Slack so the automation can work properly. After that, the connection should complete successfully, and your Monday.com board will now be linked with Slack. From here, your selected automation can begin sending notifications to the appropriate Slack channel whenever a new item is created. If needed, you can always return to the integration settings later to review or adjust the setup. And that's it. You've successfully connected Monday.com with Slack, making collaboration faster and keeping everyone informed automatically. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.